Hello and welcome to this Profometer Corrosion PM8500 tutorial. Measuring with one-wheel electrode. On completion of this tutorial, you'll be able to do a half-cell potential measurement using the one-wheel electrode. The following information applies to the one-wheel electrode only. Step 1. Select the one-wheel electrode. Step 2. Define the grid type, spacing and measuring pattern. Step 3. Adjust the color heat map. You can do it by sliding the bubbles or by tapping on the potential value. Remember, you can also change the color palette by tapping this icon. If flexible grid is selected, the grid limits will be automatically expanded once the probe reaches them. Step 4. To start measuring, press the circular play button. Step 5. You can now roll the probe in the forward direction. The yellow line indicates the probe position and the traveled distance. The live measured potential value is displayed in the cell and at the top left corner. If the probe is rolled backwards, you will see a negative value indication. Please roll it to the positive area. Step 6. Keep moving the wheel electrode. The cells will be colored, and the minimum potential value will be displayed. The grid limits will be expanded in the flexible grid mode. Step 7. To overwrite the measured values, you can roll the wheel electrode backwards. And then, move it again forwards. All the values will be overwritten. Step 8. To stop collecting data, press the Stop button. The probe indicator will jump to the next cell. Step 9. To start collecting data in the next line, press the Play button. Keep moving forward the one-wheel electrode. Step 10. To skip a fixed distance, press the yellow line in the current cell. Then press Set Skip Distance. Select the distance to be skipped, then press Confirm. The probe indicator will be relocated considering the skipped distance. Step 11. Press the play button and keep moving the wheel electrode. Step 12. Continue measuring as many lines as you want to. Step 13. It is possible to pause the measurement by clicking the Pause button. Now the measurement is paused and moving the electrode has no effect. Anytime you see the play and the stop button, you are in the review mode. Anytime you see the pause and the stop button, you are in the live mode. Step 14. Under Review Mode, you can delete any line scan. To do so, long tap over the number of the line to be deleted. One trash icon should appear, then press it. Then confirm the deletion of this line pressing Yes. The whole line will be deleted and the probe will be repositioned in this deleted line. Step 15. Press the play button to remeasure this line. Step 16. Press Stop to jump to the next line with no measurement. Step 17. Should you want to stop the full scan, press the Stop button twice. Step 18. You can manually delete any cell with incorrect values. To do so, long tap over the desired cell. A trash icon will appear, please press it. The cell value will be deleted. Step 19. You can also delete the whole scan by pressing the General Trash button. Step 20. If you have selected the fixed grid, the behavior is like the flexible grid. The main difference is that the grid dimension is fixed, and it does not expand if you surpass its limits. Step 21. In the fixed grid, the probe indicator will jump automatically to the next line whenever it reaches the grid limits. Apart from that, the measuring process and all previously mentioned features works in the same way. Keep moving the wheel electrode until you complete the whole grid. Then press stop. Now, you know how to do a potential measurement using the one-wheel electrode.